guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the brand new Lash'd Mascara from Marc Jacobs. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. So these were his original mascaras. This was the Velvet Noir mascara. I got this originally in the black and I used it. I finished it. I loved it. This is a kind of really volumizing full fat lash mascara. It was good. So good that I then got duped into buying this, which is his Velvet Primer in the shade Prime. This is a white mascara. Well, it's actually like more of a beige mascara. Never really used. It did do a good job, but I felt like this mascara was good enough on its own. I didn't really need the white one as well, but it was a good gimmick and he got me. He got me. So this is the Lash'd Lengthening and Curling Mascara from Marc Jacobs. It is £25 and 27 US dollars. Lash'd. 10.1 grams and 0.36 ounces, so it's bigger than the last one. It's bigger than all of my other mascaras, so that is a good sign. Yeah, so on the front it just says lifting and volumizing mascara. It's pretty. Okay, so this is the packaging here. It is all black and gold stripes and it's kind of grooved just ever so slightly. You can feel like a bit of texture. At the top there's nothing there, just kind of a little black button. So it's pretty simple apart from this quite lavish tube. I do like the fact that it is grooved because I feel like it's going to make it easier to open. It says Marc Jacobs on the front. Ooh, that noise. It's so different to the other brush. It's a lot thinner. This feels very light as well. So let's compare it to the original, the old Velvet Noir. I'm very excited to try it. I like how lightweight the wand is. I like the feeling of the tube as well. So far, really impressed with this. I think it's done a really good job and my eyes just look a lot more open and a lot more full. It is a natural bristle brush and I do just generally prefer those because they're a bit more gentle on the eyes, especially if you do tend to wiggle the wand slightly. I find them a lot more kind of forgiving. When you first open it and first start using it, it does have quite a strong smell. It kind of smells like petrol vibes. Don't really like that, but after a while it does disappear. I definitely see what they mean in terms of lifting. My eye just looks a lot more lifted. I'm gonna do the other side just so I look a bit less uneven. Very volumizing. That's definitely the takeaway from this mascara. I really like the way the brush is quite narrow. It makes it really easy for you to go in, separate lashes, get the shorter lashes. It's just really easy to use. And I do think it definitely competes with that Velvet Noir. That Velvet Noir was very loaded. It gave you like really thick, intense lashes, and sometimes it did get quite overpowering, whereas I feel like this is slightly more buildable, but also can be slightly more chill. So I do think this is a really good mascara. Unexpected hero of the week. Like this a lot, and I do think that this is better than the Gucci one that I tried recently. The smell is a bit intense when you're applying it. I'm not gonna lie, when you're applying the mascara the smell is quite overpowering, which isn't great, but when you've actually got the mascara on and it dries down, you don't smell the smell again, so that's good. That's pretty much it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.